hot summer sun. Over by the gate, Lordy, here she comes with a basket full of chicken and a big old jug of sweet tea. I make a little room and she climbs on up, opens up the throttle and stir a little dust. Just look at her face, she ain't a fool at me. She thinks my tractor's sexy, it really turns her on. She's always staring at me while I'm chugging along. She likes the way I'm pulling while we're tilling up the land, even kind of crazy about my farmer's dad. She's the only one who really understands what gets me. Think the tractor's sexy. Ride back and forth till we run out of light. Take it up to the barn, put it up for the night. Climb up on the loft that is caught with the radio on. She said she got a dream and I can't let her live. She wants a little farm in a yard full of kids, and one more teeny weeny ride before I take her home. She thinks the tractor's sexy, it really turns her on. She's always staring at me while I'm chugging along. She likes the way it's blowing while we're tilling up the land. She's even kind of crazy about a farmer's tank. She's the only one who really understands what gets me. She thinks the tractor's sexy. It ain't empty cars or a pickup truck, but it runs like a deer commander eyes wide up. She thinks the tractor's sexy, it really turns her on. She's always staring at me while I'm chugging along. She likes the way it's pulling while we're tilling up the land. She's even kind of crazy about my farmer's tank. She's the only one who really understands what gets me. Thinks the tractor's sexy. She thinks the tractor's sexy. She thinks the tractor's sexy. Thank you very much. Thank you. That's the first time I'm doing that song. Hope you like it there, Troy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I had a request to do a song by Johnny Paycheck. Very pretty song. It's a lot of recitation in it. It's one called Outlaws Prayer. Go like this. You know I worked the big package show in Fort Worth Saturday night. We had all day Sunday to rest and relax before I caught another flight. So I decided to walk downtown and get myself a little fresh air. Before long, I found myself in front of a big church on the corner of a square. Oh, I could hear that singing way out in the street. It sure was a beautiful scene. So I just walked up the steps and opened the door. Started to go inside and sit down. But before I could, a young man walked over to me and said, "Excuse me, sir, but I can't let you in with that big black hat, those jeans, and that beard and long hair." So I just sat up and went back outside. sat down on the curb. And I thought to myself, that's a house of the Lord. That guy's got a heck of a nerve, telling me I can't worship anywhere I please. So right there in front of that church, I just knelt down on my knees. I said, Lord, I know I don't look like much, but I didn't think you'd mind. I just wanted to be with your people, Lord. It's been a long time. A while ago, I saw one over there in Ellen, all bent over in tears. I thought how one stained glass from this church window would feed his family for years. Then there's those fine cars parked outside. Too many for me to count. Made me think how people walk for days to hear your sermon on the mount. Then there's those fine ladies in the choir, Lord, singing like they really love it. Like last night they were dancing on the front row of my show, drinking beer and screaming, sing shove it. You know, even John the Baptist wouldn't be welcome in this place. But his coat made of camel hair and sandals on his feet, and long beard on his face. You know, Lord, when you come back to get your children and take them beyond the clouds to live forever in heaven with you, well, I'd sure hate to be in this crowd. You know, Lord, I'm not perfect. Some even call me no count. But I'll tell you, I believe a man is judged by what's in his heart and not his bank account. So if this is what religion is, a big car, suit and tie, then I might as well forget it, Lord, because I can't qualify. Oh, if I